Colony is one of those many villages in India which do not have access to clean and safe water. This village is situated 3 kilometers away from one of the tributaries of the Godavari river named as Soyam Gumpu, belonging to Konavaram Mandal of East Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh state. There are 40 families currently residing in Soyam Colony, and these families depend on a single hand pump for all of their water needs. And in order to meet the water needs of the cattle they own or livestock, they have to walk 6 kilometers round trip to the nearest water resource available to them. They live in a condition where 1 month in a year they would face a severe water crisis, especially during the summer season of the year. Every summer, most of the water dries up, resulting the water levels to be decreased immensely in the stream of the Godavari, which the village has been depending on all the time. When LSM came across this village during their survey of water scarce areas, they decided to help these people, and with the help of the generous donors, LSM was able to dig a borewell in Soyam Colony and build 2 tanks for the purpose of water storage. Now these people have a privilege of having running water as soon as they turn on the tap any time of the day. This access they now have towards the clean and safe water is such a life-changing experience to the whole village. Thank you LSM and to all the generous donors who are changing lives with their generous help.